Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can simply stop copying someone in Etoro. So let's start. Let's click on the left upper corner menu. Now here click on portfolio and you will see the guy or the girl in the portfolio right here. So what you want to do is just click here on settings and now you're gonna see it here, stop copying. Let's click it. Yes. Pending close. So this is how we do it, and then it will get closed. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And look at the Amazon right now. Damn. See ya. Goodbye.